Can we talk about love? Yes, I think we should. There are two types of relationships. One, heart-to-heart relationship. The second one is a soul-to-soul relationship. Heart-to-heart relationship is the love or the relationship that is based on the possessions or what is the other person currently doing. How much is he or she worth? Who is he now? You love the other person because of who they are. You love the other person because of what he has been able to achieve. You love the other person because of the titles that he may be having or she may be holding for now. That is a heart-to-heart relationship. Soul-to-soul relationship is based on the potential of the other person. You love the other person because of what he can be and what potential that he or she has. The person might not be great at the moment, but you still love the other person because you know that even if this person is going through some tough times, even if this person is not a great person, he has potential to launch on to be a great person. Soul-to-soul relationship is based purely on the potential of the other person. It's based on purely on love itself, what we call love. You don't love him or her because of who he is today or who she is today. You love this person beyond the present situation, beyond the current situations. Because so many of us, we love the other person because of who they are, because of what they have. But if the circumstances changes and the other person does not hold in terms of physical possession, does not have those possessions, sometimes we tend to divert that attention to the other person. That's why so many relationships, they are not surviving the challenges that we have. Because the husband or the wife loves the other person because of the possessions, the ownership that they have been able to accumulate. But once those ownerships goes under or they don't have the same possession that they had, life sometimes diverts. You end up looking for for some other person who has those physical possessions, richness, if I may say so. Do you love the other person in a deeper way, in a deeper love, in a deeper soul-to-soul relationship? Do you love the other person because of who she can or he can? You know that he may be a drunkard as per now. You know that she may not be the person that you wanted her to be. But you know that this person, if you can be able to nurture those potentials that they have inside, they can be able to be the person that you so admire in them. You need to call those greatness from them. Sometimes people need someone to call that greatness from them. Sometimes people need someone to remind them who they are. Sometimes people need to be reminded that they are beautiful people, they are unique people, they are awesome people. But the problem with us, we are so busy destroying the other person, telling them who they are, telling them what they are lacking instead of showing them what they have. May we love the other person in a deeper way. Let our relationship be based on soul-to-soul relationship. And for sure, this world will be a greater world to live in. There are two types of relationship: soul-to-soul, heart-to-heart. Let us love the other person through soul-to-soul relationship. Let's relate with the other people in a soul-to-soul, in a deeper way. And for sure, they will, as they say, there are two heavens. One is up there, the other one is down here. We will experience the heavenly peace and the heavenly love that we so admire to experience one day. All the best.